How to add author profiles in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add author profiles in your Squarespace website. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can choose the website you want to add the profiles. And then you can go ahead to the left side and go to settings here. And then, as you can see, there is permission and ownership. You can click it, and then you can click again to the permission and ownership. So basically, in this page, you can, add invite contributor, or you can also transfer your website ownership. But this is not the subject of this video. You can try it later. So we're gonna add basic author here to add profile of the author. And then now you can add the information about the author. You can add the profile picture here, and then you can add the display name, let's say James Smith. And then you can add the profile name, James. And then also the website, let's say jamessmith.com. And you can also add the biography or the description of the author. It's up to you. And then you can just click save. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.